Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial video, I will create the cookies logo design, and in this tutorial video you can see the reflection of the butterfly wings in this logo design. So let's start the video, and with the help of the pen tool we make a wing design. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications from my upcoming videos. So here we go. Hold Alt key to make a copy of it. Then press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Select all of these and give it the gradient color. Hold Alt key to make a copy of it, then reflect it. And here I make the M letter by using the pen tool. Press escape. Just increase the stroke. Select all of these and hold Shift and Alt key to make it small manually. And then we write a text, hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. And here I choose the font Chopstick, and you can easily download it from any website. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it small manually, then hold Alt key to make a copy of it. And here I choose the font Futura. And now we just increase the gap between the letters. And then we bring color to it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Comment your thoughts and questions below. So stay tuned for my next video.